Hey social media, how you doing? DIY Gary down here at the big Dearborn Goodwill. Today, of course, we're talking about Halloween. Halloween's coming! I'm gonna put together a really cute vignette that's all Halloween and all DIY. So what I did is I went to the sales floor and found everything I could do to create a really cool vignette. Let's go over my findings. The infamous candlestick holder. We know that these are hot, easy to do when it comes to DIY. Grabbed a bunch of them, really big ones down here at the Dearborn location. And then I'm gonna mix it up this year and I'm gonna use some lamps in the middle of this whole thing. And I have a really good idea what I think I can do with these to really make them pop. And also old books. I think we all know old books can look really cool in this kind of Halloween setting. So old books it is. I grabbed some, I don't know, saucer plates or salad plates. We're gonna figure out how to use these as well. Grabbed a skull, grabbed another skull, and I got a plan for these guys. And then I grabbed some figurines, and I have a good idea for these guys too. So hopefully all this will tie in. And last but not least, my favorite of all, some good old-fashioned black spray paint. All right, folks, let's get started.
All right, now we got to take out all the wires and lamp hardware. You're just going to need your pliers and some wire cutters. Now it's time to start spraying. This next part has to have adult supervision.
We're running out of time!
I always start with the bigger stuff in the back and put the smaller stuff in front.